Hello, this is Watch Hobby, and today you'll be seeing an unboxing of the Arbutus Propeller AR0055B automatic watch. For more details about the review of this watch, there's a link in the description below. For all intents and purposes, this is purely a fashion watch. The bulk of the cost of this watch is, I think, the watch box itself, which is a solid wood casing. This is actually a cheap watch, although you see a lot of complication, but in reality, most of the complication are manually operated. The source of movement is not mentioned, but I suspect it's some cheap Chinese-made movement. The multiple pushes that you see at the side of the casing is the manual operated function that will able to move some of the so-called complications on the watch. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you like this channel, please subscribe. Thank you.